Last summer, we constructed these wetlands, and it was bone dry, exceptional drought. And so this year I was really happy to see that there's a lot of water, and they are truly wetlands now. When I saw there was water in the wetlands this year, I was thrilled. And this is all for a highway project, so we have to do mitigation to replace the impacts associated with the highway project. And so during planning, knowing that we were impacting the fish by filling in a portion of the lake, we thought we really should consult with the tribe to see what they would like to have happen. Our hope was to create a special place for wetlands that could create habitat for birds and fish and other wildlife, and lots of great plants as well.
We are going to place about 1,000 Lost River and short-nosed suckers, Chwam and Koptu in the Klamath language, into this pond that ODOT graciously built for us. And the idea is to provide them safe habitat while they get used to being in Klamath Lake water, and then eventually release them to Upper Klamath Lake to bolster the species.
I was really glad to see actual tribal members putting the fish back into what soon will be the lake. It's a pond for now, but eventually they will be in the lake, and I thought that was really appropriate and profound and the right thing to do.
It means a lot to the tribe. It's part of our past, part of our future. These fish are a part of our culture, so it feels real good to be able to release babies and have a chance to in the lake again.